Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super handy iPhone trick, how to scan documents or ID cards using the built-in Notes app. No third-party apps, no subscriptions, just your phone. Let's get started. First, let's open the Notes app on your iPhone. Then tap the camera icon above the keyboard. Then choose Scan Documents. Now, just point your camera at the documents or ID you want to scan. Hold steady. Your phone will automatically detect the edges and snap the photo. Just like this. Or you can change the auto mode to manual mode. I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so what you need to do is tap the button on the top right corner, change the auto mode to manual mode. Now all you need to do is scan the documents and then press the button. Then your screen will look like this. You can adjust the corners if the scan isn't perfect. Just drag the dots to match the document's edges. If you're happy with that, then just keep scanning. Then tap Save when you're done. Alright, the documents is scanned. You can see there are 3 pages. The first page was scanned in auto mode. And as you can see, the edges are not lined up perfectly. Page 2 and page 3 were done in manual mode. And to me, they look a lot cleaner and better than the first one. So I'm happy with that. Once saved, your scanned documents appears right inside the Notes app. It's easy to view, share, or send as a PDF. If you want to send it to somewhere else, tap the share icon and you can email it, save to files, or even airdrop it. That's it for today. The scanning function in iPhone Notes app is perfect for things like receipts, forms, ID cards, letters, or anything you want to take a photo of. I normally take a photo or scan the receipt for those important things that I bought and then keep that as a record in my email. Give it a try and let me know in the comments if it helped. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more iPhone tips every week. Thank you for watching. See you next time.